Welcome back to this video. Let's see how to assist group chats on WeChat. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to open up your WeChat. So I'm going to click on here to open my WeChat. The next thing you need to do is to select the group that you want to assist from. So I'm going to select this particular group right here. The next thing you can do here is to click on these three dots at the top. Then you have to scroll down and click on leave right here. So with that, you will be assist from the group without any hassle. So this is how to assist from a group chat on WeChat. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about how best you can use WeChat. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.